Olá Riddikulus!
Seja bem-vindo a mais um vídeo nosso.
E se ainda não fazes parte dos Riddikulus, subscreve-te já ao nosso canal.
Desta vez vamos mostrar a nossa reação a um vídeo muito assustador.
O vídeo chama-se Overnight at the Suicide Forest, passando a noite na Floresta do Suicídio.
Conta já com quase 5 milhões de visualizações e acompanha um grupo de youtubers que foram de propósito ao Japão para ir visitar aquela floresta demoníaca.
A floresta é conhecida como o Mar das Árvores, tem 35 km² e fica localizada na base do Monte Fuji, no Japão.
Contém um grande número de rochas e cavernas de gelo.
O local é um sítio bastante silencioso. Isto porque, devido à densidade das árvores que bloqueia o vento e à ausência de vida selvagem.
Existem muitas lendas sobre esta floresta, muitas delas são sobre demónios e espíritos malignos.
Este local é sobretudo famoso por ser um local bastante comum escolhido para o suicídio. Daí o nome, Floresta do Suicídio.
Em média são encontrados 100 corpos por ano.
Alguns deles já em avançado estado de decomposição, outros já são mesmo um esqueleto.
Nos últimos anos os turistas começaram a marcar o caminho com fitas e cordas para poderem encontrar o caminho de volta.
No entanto, existe também a hipótese dessas fitas terem sido lá deixadas por suicidas indecisos que se perderam pela floresta enquanto tentavam decidir por que caminho seguir para cometer o ato.
Se quiseres ver o vídeo completo, o vídeo está aqui na descrição.
Este vídeo foi-nos enviado pela numa, que nos sugeriu que gravássemos a reação.
Trail. That's the end of the public trail.
Oh shit.
Holy shit, we're here. We're here.
Nestes caminhos à noite.
No, this is it.
It's right here.
Right.
That's the.
Here's what's really bizarre to me.
Parecia uma criança.
Where's
Maybe it's past here.
Publicidade ao Pingo Doce. Grandes malucos.
Oh, good thing you're not going to be there. Here's the first one in.
Ainda nem comecei a ver nada de especial.
Point of no return. That means there is someone in here, or someone recently was. Because what everyone does is they tie ribbons or they tie a rope. This is where it starts getting sketchy. So this is where we need our rope. I mean, I don't want to fuck around here. We are not getting lost in this fucking forest tonight. Oh my god, I didn't even think about that. Someone could climb a tree and hang from above us. It's raining too. Jesus Christ.
Eu tenho bem medo que apareça alguma coisa assim de repente na câmera e a pule e bata com a cabeça na parede. É que eu olho para lá para o fundo e vejo tipo as cenas e nem é nada.
Jesus Christ. There it is.
Agora estava uma pessoa pendurada.
It really just goes forever. I mean, it's a massive forest.
Like if we didn't know.
If we didn't have the ribbon, let's keep trekking as far as we can. Jesus
Certeza foi a
Christ.
Ariana que esteve ali.
So fucking stressed out. That's my point. Please, everyone look up. Just make sure there's not a fucking hanging body above us.
Imagina lá olhares para cima e estar tipo corpo.
Oh. I'm not really. That's a real. That's a.
What the fuck?
Oh my gosh,
Guys.
Oh, ribbons. The ribbon. It's a trail. It's a trail of a ribbon. Fuck, we have to follow it now.
Jay.
Oh my god, no. Here.
Estou bem assim.
I'm gonna stay over this chair.
Everyone stay together, please. Huh? That's Jay. It's real.
That's the.
Guys, there's someone in here.
There, yo. And wait, if you look at it, this is the end of the trail.
Guys, if we follow that rope,
We're gonna find
something or someone.
This is a really bad idea. I'm just being totally, completely honest right now. This is a bad idea. We're gonna see something that's gonna like change us.
Yeah.
No, because something. I was looking through my fucking screen. And my screen saw something. I didn't, but my camera did.
Silêncio, agora já não mete a música de fundo, né?
Look, all I'm saying is the van looked like it had been there for a month or so.
Hold up. Yo, we can't be fucking lost in here, guys. No. Wait. No.
The ribbons.
Hold on.
No, because something. I was looking through my fucking screen. And my screen saw something. I didn't, but my camera did.
Silêncio, agora já não mete a música de fundo, né?
Look, all I'm saying is the van looked like it had been there for a month or so.
Hold up. Yo, we can't be fucking lost in here, guys. No. Wait. No.
The ribbons.
Hold on, hold on.
Some way.
Oh, fuck. Shit. Yo, turn the light down.
Well, I can't shine the light on you because I'm gonna watch. This is seriously like the dumb thing that happens in a horror movie when someone dies.
As it was.
Has gotten way dimmer.
Yeah, because normally we can see all the way. Why the fuck are the lights dying? Look, let's. And it's 3 o'clock right now. Right? Yeah. Let's just go to the tent.
I still want to go. I still think it's a terrible idea.
I don't either, but I feel like we have to. Like, I feel like we can't come this far to not just go. And once we get to the tent, that's where we stop.
All the way up to the tent?
I just found another one.
Really? Oh, yeah, look at that.
Elm, what do you need?
Get this shit out of me? Please. Everyone, look directly where this thing's flashing. And please look to the back.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on. How much further do we go, guys?
I can't see anything, yo.
Literally, we have 2 phones. Like how you'd rather just kill your battery.
I'll kill it because I can't see anything. This is so sad. Are we gonna get closer?
Whoa, 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 whoa! Hold on, I got it.
Mine still won't turn on.
Mine's on. Mine's on the dim shit. Mine's on the weird little orange light.
Oh wait, mine's on the little one.
You got the little one on? I got the little one on.
Mine's not on the big one though.
Mine's still not turning on.
Dude, the little one's worse. Like the strobe light's better. I can't see anything. This shows nothing.
Dude, I can't see anything. At least the strobe light's bright. This shows
Yeah,
nothing.
mine won't turn on.
Guys, someone behind us. Fuck this stupid light.
Like a branch.
Note to self, if I'm going to some place where I might die, spend more than $22 on a flashlight.
Not
I know.
where the freaking
Can everyone just please
Mine's on. Mine's on.
button jam it?
Alright,
Mine
I got it.
Great. Cool, because mine turned off.
Huh?
Mine turned off, so fantastic.
Great.
Mine turned off, so fantastic.
Great.
Alright, well, we got one.
Oh god, thank you.
Mine's still not turning on.
Mine's on.
Where's the tent even, by the way?
Right there. You see it?
I actually have to use a camera to
We
see.
have to go. So fuck.
Where's the tent?
What do you want me to do?
Oh, there's a tent, I see it now. Whoa, watch out, that's like...
You see it?
Yeah, but I don't want to go over there.
Yo, wait, where is it?
It's right there.
It's literally right in front of you guys.
Oh shit.
That's the tent, man.
I don't know if we should go Look, someone literally walked.
I feel like I'm gonna puke again.
Mas imagina, estás no meio da floresta, chegares lá dentro da tenda, tipo, pegou para
If
ver se
someone
alguém
calls you
via e
with
for
the camera
perguntar alguma coisa,
for his
se
video,
pedir
wants to walk
ajuda.
over there?
A
I'll
tua
hold the
única
light
ajuda
over
está
there.
morta.
5 more feet.
Let's go.
5 more feet, look around. And I feel like if this is where he camped, this is probably where...
I mean, there's 3 ribbons here.
I know.
Okay, go. Slowly.
Oh, fuck it, I shouldn't... Fuck, watch out, I'm actually like falling into the tree.
I'm just terrified of what I was going to see. I don't want to be the one to see it.
I can't see anything.
I'm the only one with a light that works.
The step we are getting into the real territory where we might see something.
I really don't want to see anything.
Exactly. The tent is like up there somewhere. Man, my back is on fire. There's the tent. Alright, let's just right here and then straight back behind it.
Should we go a little closer?
You see it right there up the middle. There's someone sitting. Fucking Christ. Come on, light! Just fucking I'm like actually getting pissed.
What the fuck?
I don't want to walk any closer. There's someone sitting back there. Right there.
Oh my
Right
gosh.
there. Sitting right there
Oh shit, is he?
with his head just like leaned over.
Oh shit, pois é, lá o
Is he
fundo.
just not sleeping?
Dude, it's 4 in the fucking morning. There's a van outside. There's a rope. And
Yeah, I don't want to look.
no, we need...
Yeah, I don't.
Let's get the fuck... Please, all of us leave. Leave, go. Fucking...
Was that seriously?
Yes. Colby, yes.
Are we supposed to call someone?
Depois e depois não vão ali
I don't... Then get the fuck out of here and then we'll figure out who to call.
Pois. Tenha medo.
Fuck, man.
sair com medo. Espero que tenhas gostado. Subscreve-nos para que não percas nenhum vídeo nosso.
Segue-nos na nossa página do Instagram e deixa já o teu like na nossa página do Facebook.
Os links encontram-se na descrição e deixa também o teu comentário. Até ao próximo vídeo!